Meaning of FOB.
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 FOB. FOB stands for Free on Board, which is a commercial term used in international trade to indicate who is responsible for the transportation and insurance of goods. When FOB is written on a purchase order or sales contract, it means that the buyer will be responsible for the cost and risk of transporting the goods from the supplier's factory or warehouse to their own destination. This includes the costs of loading the goods onto the carrier, as well as any risks or damages that occur during transit.